Assalamu alaikum grade 1, welcome to the English lecture video. Hope you all are fine, doing well. Today we are going to start our unit number 4. We are going to continue it from page number 29. So you have to open your book, open your page number 29. Your topic today is plural words. Plural means more than one, okay? Plural means a thing which is in more numbers than one. Okay, if we add more than one things, it became plural. Two things, three things, or more than two, three, up to so on. So we usually add s when there are more than one things. Okay, we usually add s with the words when we have more than one thing. For example, if we have one apple, we write it apple, and if we have more than one apple, if we have two apple or three apple, we add s with the word apple. Make it plural. Okay, similarly, if we have word bottle with us and we have only one bottle, okay, only one bottle, so we say or we write it like bottle. But if we have four bottles, 1 2 3 4, if we have four bottles, so we add s with the word to make it plural, and we say it like bottles. For bottles, 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 four bottles. And there we have a second case with us. Our second case is that if we add es when words end with sh, ch or ss. Okay, when plural words end with ss, ch or sh. So we add es at the end of the word to make it plural. The word which end with the word sh, ch or ss. The sounds of sh, sh and so. So we add es with these kinds of words like glass. If we have one glass, we write it glass. One glass, glass. And if we have three glasses, so we add es with the word to make it plural, and it becomes glasses. glass, glasses. Three glasses. Okay. And we have another case with us. Sometimes we do not add s when there are more than one, and sometimes in some special cases or with some specific words we don't add s with the words. Okay, like woman. If there is one woman, we write one woman, woman, man, one woman. But if we have more than one woman, two or three women, we don't write it like women's. No, this is wrong. We write it like woman, men, woman. We change the letter a, okay, of the word man with e, okay, to make it plural. We write it like woman now. woman, men, woman. Okay, these are the plural words. Okay, these are the kinds in which we change the words into plural. Now come to the exercise. We have D part with us. Write the plurals. We have to write the plurals word man, so change it with e. man, man, singular form. To change it into plural form, what we do, we change the letter a with e. men, men. We change the central letter a with e. men, men. Now we have the word dress. DRESS, dress. Okay. So we are going to change it with the word es to make it plural. DRESS, dress. Es is dresses. Okay, because the word dress end with double letter s, so we add es with it to make it plural. Our next word is sheep. SHEEP, sheep. To make it plural, we add s with it. SHEEPS, sheeps. Your next word is girl. GIRL, girl. So we are going to add s with the word girl to make it plural, girls, girls. Our next word is brush, brush, brush. What we do? sh. We have learned that the word which end with the letter sh sound, okay, sound, so we add es with it, brushes, 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 and we pronounce it like that, brushes, brushes. Our next word is boy, boy, boy. So we are going to add s with it to make it plural, boys, boys, boys. Okay. Now class, you have to write all these words in the blanks with your pencil. Okay, do it neatly. Come to the next word, match. Write sentences about the picture. We have to match these to write sentences about the picture. The sheep are eating the grass. As we have seen in this picture that the sheep are eating the grass, so we match the word the sheep with the sentence are eating grass. The man, what the man doing in the picture? Two men. Okay, what the two men doing in the picture? They are reading newspapers. So match the word the man with the men are reading newspapers. What the women are doing here? The women are in blue dress and they are sitting on a mat. So the women are sitting on a mat. Good. What the girls are doing here? The girls are, yes, wearing yellow dress and they are running here. Okay, the girls are running here who's wearing yellow dresses. So the girls are wearing yellow dresses. Match the word the girls with the sentence are wearing yellow dresses. The girls are wearing yellow dresses. What are the boys doing? The boys are swimming in the water. Okay, so match the word the boys with are swimming in the water. I'm going to repeat this. The sheep are eating grass. Okay. The men are reading newspaper. The women are sitting on mat. The girls are wearing yellow dresses and the boys are swimming in the water. These are your complete sentences. Okay, now you have to learn about the word plurals. Okay, read the box and learn the rules. Okay, then you have to convert your word into plurals, add s and es with the words to make them plural. Okay, in exercise D, do your D part in your book and next is your E part. Do it in the book as well. Complete the sentences by matching them. Hope you understand the video. Hope you understand the lecture. Take care. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.